Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Twin toes. Oh my god! Oh! Are you not recording? Are you recording, Trickshaw? Oh my god! Oh, that was disgusting!
Smoke weed every day.
With these people, and it's been good. I enjoy it.
Next question on this left side.
I was wondering, what's the recommended amount of dedicated RAM I should have to a server?
I'm sorry, could you please repeat your question?
Dedicated RAM to a server.
RAM.
If you're
how
running
much
off your
RAM?
PC.
Oh, okay.
It's dependent on plugins and players.
Yeah, it's a. What it's really depend. This is a technical question you're asking. How much RAM?
That's right! Get no scoops! Get no scoops!
Okay. Oh my god! Oh! Oh my fucking god! Oh! Oh! Get this fucking... Oh! No! Get the camera! Money! 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 Oh my god!
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Yes! Oh my god! Smoke weed every day. It's the one and only Deagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg. Da 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 da. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E. Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. Tactical nuke incoming!
Oh, Zoom. Poor Zoom.
Happy feet. Wombo combo.
That ain't Falco.
That ain't Falco. Oh my God! Wombo combo! Oh! Get your ass whooped!
What the fuck, man? Wombo combo!
Wow!
Huh? We gonna play that?
Nah, not yet. When the set's over.
My dick hurts!
Bobak's dick is hard.
Oh my God. We're all a little bit hard.
Anything to